right, so this could be one of two things. A little unboxing video here. So I got my knife out, my Neochrome with the scorpion on it. I already cut one side and then it just hit me. This could be my first unboxing video. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. I think I know what it is. It's actually, yeah, I know what it is. It's too light to be something else. So hold on a second. Okay, have it in my mouth though. Yes, 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 yes. That is perfect fucking timing. Perfect timing. All right, love you guys. This is my first unboxing video. I love ordering shit, especially car parts. So yeah, we're gonna do the damn thing. This is gonna be unboxing 0001. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.